Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to practice Kumbhaka Pranayama. Kumbhaka Pranayama plays a very important role in strengthening your respiratory system, and most importantly, it increases your longevity. Kumbhaka Pranayama plays a very important role in controlling asthma, anxiety, and any sort of breathing disorders. So Kumbhaka Pranayama is based on the Jalastambhana mantra, which was practiced by Duryodhana during the Mahabharata times. Kumbhaka Pranayama plays a vital role actually in increasing your longevity. So it increases your longevity because, like, a human has about 74 crores, 74 lakhs and certain numbers of breaths, mean the inhalation and exhalations. So Kumbhaka Pranayama skips those breaths, so thereby it increases your longevity. Kumbhaka Pranayama is it's very tough, but we need to increase it sequentially and consistently. Kumbhaka Pranayama shouldn't be practiced by aged individuals and persons having a history of heart ailments. So we are providing all these things in the description, so please go through that and come on, let's practice with the Kumbhaka Pranayama. So now basically in Sanskrit, Kumbha means a pot. So the basic principle is that we need to exhale off all the air from our lungs. Inhale it fully, how much ever possible the lungs capacity is there, that should be full. And once we fill our lungs, our stomach bulges like a pot. We need to hold the breath at this time, so for 30 seconds, let's start initially with the 30 seconds. And Kumbhaka Pranayama is very important during these pandemic times because if you hold your breath, particularly these viruses like COVID-19 and other viruses get spread through air and physical contact. So if we hold the breath, it prevents any sort of viruses entering our lungs and damaging our system. So this is very important actually to do. So yeah, so let's start with this and start our Kumbhaka Pranayama. So the first thing is exhale off all the lungs, all the breath from your lungs. Now inhale. So once you are done with completion of pranayama, you need to exhale it in a forceful way. So this actually releases off all your toxins. particularly while if you mindfully observe your breath, a certain portion of breath is actually remaining same with the lungs. I mean, we keep that lungs as a part of as in the form of a deposit. We keep that in the lungs. So the benefits of this is, like, your lungs will absorb more oxygen, and it will remove off all the unnecessary CO2 which we had been holding for a long time. Hope this video is useful, and please read through the description, and hope this inspire you to increase your longevity and health. Thank you so much.